got a little carried away here. I started tightening them before I started recording, but it's working. So I don't know where to set this thing up. Lately missed all of that, so I'm gonna finish tightening it down with screwdrivers here. I don't feel like breaking my tool and having to try and make a new one. So I'm gonna finish it off with the screwdrivers. And put all the other shit together. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of swearing. I swear a lot. Just go till it don't, hey? Oh, what happened there? How did that get bent? That's fucking cast. I'm gonna say it don't go anymore. I think she's tight. Let's see. Yeah, she's tight. Okay. I gotta remember how it goes back together. I know this guy goes in. I see. I got no idea. I don't think that's in there, right? Should we earnest with you? I don't know. There it is. Yeah, I guess, yeah, it is. Okay. And then this guy. Hold on. We got new things. So let me just look here. What do we got? What am I missing? I'm missing something. What the fuck? Or did I just put that in the wrong way? No, don't go that way. Huh. Well, I guess. Get in there. No, that ain't. What do I got wrong here? What? Okay. I think I have the wrong nut on. This one's got a nipple. This one does not have a nipple. I don't know. Experimenting. Come on, get out of there now. There we go. So, I guess let's struggle with this thing again. Get it loosened with the screwdriver. And there we go. And see if this unit will take it off. Or did I fuck it up? Oh, I might have to loosen her a bit more with the screwdriver. There we go. Okay. This unit on there. See what happens. That's what happens. It comes off. Yeah, it's not the greatest tool, but it works. I think, why did he put that flat wrench on there? Well, you know, I was thinking leverage, but this is pretty much just to get it snugged up, you know. Not actually tight. Screwdriver can get it tight. This is just get it started kind of deal. Okay. Put this guy on there. Oh, better. Okay. Look how slick that works. So I don't know about when that stopped recording. Hopefully you got me putting that on and all that. Guess we'll find out when I go to edit. Yeah, that's cool. It works. Works for snugging up, not tightening it right up. There we go. Now we use the screwdriver to finish tightening. Put this thing back on. Where's that keyway? Right there. One of these things is not like the other. Yeah. stupid. Back a bit more or what? What am I gonna do here? Okay, got that silly little washer, lock washer thing on. Now we're putting the other nut back on here. Oh, no, that's not what we want. Cross-threaded is not the right thread. Not in this case. Get off. Come on. Okay, there we go. That should be good. Yeah. Oh, still didn't break it. Okay, this is where screwdrivers come. Okay. Now then, gear thing. This. Now that. Yeah, that seems better. Are we still going here? Beauty. So, well, my hands are a mess. I'll put my gloves on to show you what we got going, but I'm going to go straighten this washer in here first. Sorry, snap ring, not washer. Just a greasy whore. Still don't think that's right. But I got no other pieces to go in there, so got the spring now. The spring goes in. Don't know what. I think it does. Okay, I see. I made a whoopsie daisy. Well, not really. I think this gets X-nayed, and this gets yes-nayed. No, the fuck it don't. That way?